Hello YouTube, how's it going? Today I'd like to show you how to remove a 6-speed manual gearbox of a W203 Mercedes C-Class with M271 engine, and I'll demonstrate with my own car. Well, the first step is to safely raise the car in the air. I prefer a sharp lift to give the extra space and safety. Once the car is safely in the air, we'll begin to remove these plastic underplates holding on by 8mm bolts. Once they're out, we'll be able to see the exhaust pipes. We'll have to lose the O2 sensor, this fitting, this bracket, and the rear fitting. Once the exhaust pipe is out, we'll have to remove this heat shield to lose the drive shaft. Now, we'll be able to see the drive shaft. There's a center bracket we have to lose, then both ends of the flange. The flange bolt can be very tight, so just make sure that be patient and don't damage anything. Once the drive shaft is out, we'll begin to lose the transmission mount, but we do not have to remove this bracket as it's holding the upper shifter mechanism in place. Here is a close look of the shifter cable. Later on, we'll need to remove this. On the left side, there is AC pipe bolted onto the transmission housing. We'll have to lose this, but no other stuff on the bottom. Earlier I forgot to take off the O2 sensor. Just don't forget this one has to come out. On the top, there are two things you have to remove: the black shift linkage and those silver linkage. I'll show you in the next step. To lose that silver bracket, we'll first need to go to the right side, push a metal pin up, then pull the locking pin out. This could be quite difficult at first attempt, so give it a couple try, be patient. Here you can see with a couple attempts, this locking pin finally come out. Next step, use a flathead screwdriver and pry the black linkage off. Now move to the left side. We'll begin to rotate these two round pieces to release the shift cable from the bracket. The next step is to use a flathead screwdriver and pry out the cable. Now we move to the top, pull out a metal clip, and pull the metal clutch hose from the slave cylinder connection. When everything is pretty much disconnected, we prepare a transmission jack to lower the transmission down. The final steps include removing a small bracket that holding the clutch pipe on the transmission housing and lose all the bell housing bolts. Finally, you will have your gearbox out. hope this video is helpful to you. If you try to replace your clutch, or if you try to fix your rear main seal, this is pretty much the steps that you have to go through. Thank you for your watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.